Here is a quick little video for Chapter 0, Section 10, Surface Area. So our vocabulary is surface area. It's the sum of the areas of all the surfaces or faces of a solid, and it's measured in square units. So it's like the wrapping paper. So if you're going to wrap the shape in wrapping paper, it's how much wrapping paper that you would need. So our formulas for a prism, it's 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. And here's kind of a little demo as to why that is. So we've got our length, our width, and our height. So this shape here at the top is our length times our width. It's also on the bottom. Our front here, the length times the height. It's also on the back. And here, our width times our height, it's also on the other side. So there's 6 different sides. You add them all up. For a cylinder, it's 2 times the area of the base because you have the bottom and the top. And then the outside piece is the circumference of the circle times the height. So if you want to get really wordy here, it's 2 parentheses pi r squared plus the circumference, which is pi times the diameter times the height. So we're going to put those formulas into action here. Find our surface area. So this is a rectangular prism, so it's 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. So our length and our width is 2 times 3 times 1 plus 2 times our length is 3, our height is 5, plus 2 times our width is 1, and our height is 5. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 1 is 6, plus, I don't know why I wrote height there, I meant to put 5. 2 times 3 is 6, times 5 is 30, plus 2 times 1 is 2, times 5 is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40, plus 6 is 46. So our surface area is 46 meters, and it's squared because it's an area. Over here, we have the area of our base times 2. So that would be 2 times 3.14 times 3 squared, plus our circumference, so pi, which is 3.14, times the diameter, which would be all the way across, so that would be 6, times the height, which is 8. So now we got to simplify. 3 squared is 9, times 3.14, times 2, gets us 56.52, plus 3.14 times 6 times 8 is 150.72. 56.52 plus 150.72 gets us 207.24. Our label would be centimeters squared. Okay, so it's just a matter of knowing your formulas and then being able to plug them in and solve them appropriately.